Come on. You had it. Come on. Get to your level. You could do it. Do it again. Do it again. There you go. One more time. Come on. Don't get mad. There you go. Bring your arm now. Oh, you almost had it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Now bring your arm. Come on, bring your arm over. Come here. See, go like that with your arm. Go like that with your arm. Bring it over. Come on. Come on. Okay. What is it? Okay, come on. Keep going. Don't you yell at me. Come on, you can do it. Okay, good. Oh, you almost had it. Come on. You gotta move that shoulder. If you get that shoulder over, you will officially roll over for the first time. Come on. Try again. Come on. Now move it. Move your shoulder. You gotta move the whole body, sweetheart. Come on. I will give you $10. Come on. You want to try the other way? Oh no, you found your thumb. Come on. Now, there you go. Now bring your leg over like you did last time. I can't help you, otherwise it's not official. Bring your leg over. Always gonna like this one. Come on. Come on. You could do it. There. Now bring your leg over. Keep missing it. Look at that foot. It's a big foot. There you go. You got 5 minutes left. Oh, come on. Leave your thumb alone. Keep working on it. Okay. Well, we're gonna go this together again, okay? You want this? Got it. Simple. You want it? You gotta grab it. There you go. You're almost there. Come on. Go, 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 go. Come on. Don't get mad at your eye for it. Kick your leg over. There you go. Go, 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 keep going. Keep going. Oh, you move your leg back. You were so close. You were so incredibly close. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, wait, wait, get your arm. Your arm's stuck. There! You got the toy! Now you gotta get your arm out of under you. You rolled over. Great, now I have to buy a bunch of stuff now because you're gonna be crawling soon. Gonna fix that arm yet? You gonna fix that arm? Come on, take that arm out. There you go. You really want that toy, don't you? We got it. We got it the first time you rolled over. I know, your arm's stuck. Take it out. You're going to have to do that one on your own too. I'm not going to help you. There you go. There you go. Is your arm out? Let's see here. You got your you rolled over completely. Is that your dad? No. You rolled over. We got it. We got it. And there's only 30 seconds left. How's it to officially roll over? Sorry the footage wasn't better, but he did it. It took him long enough, but this is the first time he rolled over. Got anything to say? You want your toy? Okay.